Yeah.
Someone told me, doctor, that when they saw the land and they knew it was being sold, they wanted it. But because it was full of napier grass, they saw it as fit to feed their cows. And this is what he told me. We were in the gym.
Yeah.
He said, Pius, I'm very happy Centum Group bought the land because I was seeing food for my cows.
A place for cows.
But you people saw the cities. So
Yes.
did you just give us more insight into how the vision of Two Rivers?
You know, I bring you here because you can see down there what we are doing.
Yes.
You can see all the young people's products.
Wow.
Now you come here. Come here and see.
You come here.
Can you see?
Oh, that's a big whale.
Can you see that wheel?
Gigantic.
Yeah. That's what we are developing. And that was my dream. I said I need a wheel.
Massive, massive.
And the James believes in what I tell him.
Yes.
He made sure we have a wheel.
Wow.
So to me, that defines destination of this place.
Yeah.
That is seen everywhere. Everywhere. People will see that wheel. If you are up there, you will see Limuru like it is down here.
I can only imagine the excitement. Being at the top, right there.
Right.
Yeah?
It is being set up. It's not yet ready,
Yes.
but it's being set up. It's going to be something like no other.
When is it gonna be ready?
I'm not sure, but I think very soon.
Yeah.
We were hoping they can be ready for this festival season, but I'm not sure.
And
James might know about it.
yeah.
Yes.
I noticed a lot of restaurants facing the riverfront.
This is an entertainment with a riverfront like you find in Paris.
Yes.
This is exactly what you find in Paris.
Unbelievable.
Restaurants in front of water, right?
So you can eat and
relax,
absorb the serene environment with the water.
Yes.
And children playing.
And the children out there. It is an incredible thing. It's an incredible thing. So for me to see this develop, it's a mind that thinks together.
The mind.
Yes.
Yeah.
We put our minds together
Yeah.
and then we say we must have the best.
Yeah.
So to me, this is what we have.
So, Dr. Kirubi, it's not easy to pull off this kind of massive project. What did it cost you? What was the price?
That's many billions, billions of dollars.
Yes.
But I let James tell you exactly how much.
In terms of sacrifice, I want to imagine you went to sleep and you were imagining.
My time.
Oh my goodness, this thing.
My time.
Yes.
It was impossible.
Yes.
I couldn't keep away from thinking about this place.
Yes.
Yeah.
100% absorbed.
So, no, you have to. You cannot set up something like this unless you are very highly focused.
Yes.
You have to be very focused on it. Yes.
Did you wake up any day and say, this thing is too big?
No.
You kept with the fight on.
I just realized it's time to develop and to start thinking about the second one.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, the second one.
I would like to see another mall of this size in another city.
Yes.
In Kenya. Because, you see, the whole thing
Yes.
is that I believe in Kenya.
Yeah.
I believe we will become like any other country in the world.
Yes.
So we just have to be ahead of
everybody else.
The demand other people
Yeah.
by being innovative and bringing to them the value addition that will make Kenya become a developed middle income country on revenue. And you know, if you don't bring this kind of equipments of the children to Kenya, and they only see this when they travel to Dubai, they will ask their father, how come I don't have this thing in Kenya? How come we don't have this thing in Kenya? So we need to be the same like everybody else.
That's true.
Yes.
And you know, there are people who thought this thing is way ahead of our time.
No.
And you kept the faith, again, very consistent with your belief of investing in Africa.
It is time.
It is time.
For Africa.
Yes.
Yes.
It is time.
It's time for Africa, and Africa should now be leading. If you think about 20 years ago, the Chinese were nowhere.
Yes.
They were a poor country, very poor.
Yes.
Today, China is the second, if not the first, economist in the world.
That's true.
So why can't we have the same zeal?
Yes.
And the belief like the Chinese?
Believe in our continent.
We will also
become
successful.
Amen.
Yes.
Believe in the continent, invest in the continent. Yes.
Very, very well.
Yes.
And they invest in Africa.
Yes.
I love what I'm seeing in front here.
The CK Square.
Yes.
And this is...
I like him to... Can you put a shot through this hotel and show buyers what we are developing over there? Look at that.
The City Lodge.
This is Africa in the first class world, right?
Yes.
So, to me, I think we are going places.
More investors are putting money behind
you. We need more investors here to come.
Yes.
This is no miracle.
Yes.
Let them come invest with us. We are a publicly quoted business.
Yes.
And James is going to be our leader for a long time.
Yes. I hope he's listening. James, you're listening.
Let them come, invest, and find what he can do with your money.
Yes.
Because we are all there, and we have proven that we can do it.
Yeah.
We can make it work.
We can do it.
So CK Square is my dream. My people, my colleagues decided it was my creation.
Yes.
And they had to decide to call it my CK.
Call it CK Square.
My car is CK.
Yes.
So my car is CKX, that is CK Square.
CK Square.
I believe in branding.
Yes.
Many people don't know the value of a brand.
Branding.
Brand is more expensive than the real thing.
That's true.
If you go to Coca-Cola, the brand Coca-Cola is more expensive than the business itself.
And the product itself.
Than the product.
Yes.
Yes.
And I've heard all manner of stories about how the CK Square came to be.
Yes.
But your name is the one constant thing that you came here and rearranged everything.
I totally changed the place.
What was supposed to be here?
There was a big valley, there was cars passing underneath there,
2
floors down.